Hey everyone, Rebecca here from Simple Suburban Living. I just wanted to give a quick garden update. First, this is the celery that I have been growing just from the celery scraps. I've got two going. It's about, I don't know, I would say 2 or 3 inches high right now. The other one is growing as well. This is actually really slow, happening really slow, but it's just an experiment. I have it just in water, no food, no nothing. I have it sitting in a window and it's getting some sunlight, but maybe not as much as ideal. But anyway, I figured this was something that would just go in the trash, so I thought I'd give it a try. When it gets a little bigger, I may be sticking it in a pot outdoors. We'll see. Okay, now let's head outside. Okay, I had started some seedlings, at least I was hoping, to grow inside, and so far you can see just one has come up. I'll have to look on my little chart to know what it is, and I will pop it up on the screen. But I'm a little disappointed because I planted basically, I think around 12 different seeds in here, and so far only one has sprouted. It's been about a week, so there may be more that comes up. I'll keep an eye on it. This is just a rotisserie chicken pan that I got, and what I like about it is that I don't know how well you can see, actually I think you can see, there's quite a bit of condensation on the lid, so it's nice for starting seeds, and it was free, so you can't beat that. Okay, now it's time to take a look at the tomatoes. That was my first garden update, was the tomatoes. And I'm going to put my hand here so you can see the size, hopefully. Let me see if I can get to where you can see a little better. This is a small-ish tomato, as far as like if you went to the store and bought a tomato, but it's at the same time I've bought several tomatoes that are this size. I now have about 20 tomatoes on this plant, so it's really pretty loaded. Let's see if I can, so getting tons of tomatoes, and there's still a lot of the blossoms on, so there should be more coming as well. Now this is the other plant that in my last update a week ago didn't have any tomatoes, and you can see that now I'm starting to see tomatoes on here as well. So I think there's only 3 so far. There might be some that are just tiny that I'm missing, but so the one plant has 20 tomatoes with a lot of blossoms. This one has 3 so far with quite a few blossoms as well. Okay, I've shown you a couple times how I am adding to this container, just adding yard waste and paper, food scraps, and potting soil. And so I'm not going to show you that process again, but I'll link to it in the cards and also in the description below. And so I've added another layer to that. You can see this parsley is looking, it's not the best. I don't know if it's just because it's been really hot or what, but I have harvested from it a couple of times. This is the radishes, and I planted these just barely over a week ago. And so one thing nice about radishes is they do grow quickly. I am going to have to thin these out. You can see, like here, there's 2 real close together. So I'm going to take this one out so that this one will grow better. Now I'm a little disappointed because there should be some growing here and here. So just as an experiment, I might try and plant this in there since nothing seems to be happening in these areas. Just this morning I planted some more radish seeds in here, and so of course nothing has happened yet because I just planted them. And then over here, these are Parisian carrots. It's been a little less than a week since I planted those. So that's my update for this week, and I look forward to showing you the progress next week. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't already done so, I'd appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. Just one more thing. When I turned the camera off, after I turned the camera off, I decided to go ahead and thin these a little bit, and the ones that I pulled out, I decided to put into spaces where there weren't any. Whether that will work or not, I don't know, but I thought it'd be worth a try. So I added in this one, transplanted this one, and this one. So we'll see how they go.